Hey, you are watching Indian IT Guy. Google's AI chat model Bard was recently changed to Gemini and is now available for use on Android and through the web. To use Google Gemini, open your internet browser, type gemini.google.com and press enter. Now click on sign in and log in with your Google account. Here you will be able to use text-based prompts or even use the upload image option to add an image and make a prompt around it. Other than that, you can use Gemini app in the Google App Store to access Gemini AI directly on your Android phone. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more tech guides and like this video to continue supporting us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.